Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of cooling solutions. And I'm excited to present to you what could arguably be the best AIO cooler for Intel's 13th gen processors on the market. Introducing the NZXT Kraken 240, an absolute powerhouse in the realm of CPU cooling. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, this cooler is designed to keep your system running smoothly even under the most demanding tasks. Let's talk about what sets the NZXT Kraken 240 apart from the competition. First off, its customizable 1.54-inch square LCD display allows you to personalize your setup like never before. Whether you want to display performance metrics, animated GIFs, or even real-time system information, the possibilities are endless. And speaking of performance, the NZXT Kraken 240 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a high-performance pump and two F120p fans, this cooler delivers exceptional cooling efficiency while maintaining minimal noise levels. But what about installation, you ask? Fear not. Setting up the NZXT Kraken 240 is a breeze, thanks to its simple setup process and single breakout cable design. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a novice, you'll have this cooler up and running in no time. Don't just take my word for it, though. Customers rave about the NZXT Kraken 240's performance, build quality, and ease of use. With thousands of positive reviews, it's clear that this cooler is a fan favorite among PC enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks, the NZXT Kraken 240, the ultimate AIO cooler for Intel's 13th gen processors. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or overclocking enthusiast, this cooler has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cooling!